Top 5 best large cap mutual fund. Which large cap mutual fund is best for your investment? Let's jump into my screen and let's understand which mutual fund is best for your investment. So we are at my screen now, and we'll talk about the top 5 best large cap mutual fund and which mutual fund you should consider if you're looking for an investment or an SIP mode in mutual funds. So the first mutual fund that we're going to talk about is Nippon India Large Cap Fund. Now this mutual fund has been very famous for its amongst its investors for its historic returns to its investor. So look at the CGR is 1 year it has given 5% return, and in 5 years it has given 25% return, which is phenomenal for large cap. Look at the graph is in continuously uptrend. So if you are looking for an investment into a large cap, and if you are a safe investor, then invest you can consider into Nippon India Large Cap Fund. Very famous, very good fund, right? Now the minimum investment is just 100 rupees. So any beginner who wants to invest their money, they can invest into this mutual fund, which minimum investment is just 100 rupees. Now AUM is 45,000 crores and exit load 1% and expense ratio is below 1%. Now risk involved is high, and Sailash Raj Bhan is the fund manager. Look at the sectors they have invested. Look at the company. In HDFC Bank, they have allocated 8% of their capital, Reliance 6%, ICICI 5%. So this is the first. Now let's go to second. So second mutual fund is ICICI Prudential Large Cap Fund. Now it has given 2% in 1 year, and in 5 years it has given 22.5% return. Look at the graph. The graph has been continuously in uptrend, right? Minimum investment is just 100 rupees. AUM 71,000, exit 1%, expense 0.86%. Vaibhav, right? The fund manager, sectors, financial. Now, company they have allocated 9% their capital in HDFC Bank, TREPS 8%, ICICI Bank 8%, Reliance 6.55%, Larsen Tubro 6.27%. So the second mutual fund is ICICI Prudential Large Cap Fund. The third mutual fund is Invesco India Large Cap Fund. 1 year it has given 2% return. In 5 years, it has given 21%, close to 21% return to its investor. Now, minimum investment is 1000 rupees, AUM is 1500 crores, exit load is 0%, which is very good. Expense ratio is also less than 1%, very good. Now, Amit Nigam is the fund manager. Sectors they have invested in healthcare, they have invested 7%. Financial, they have invested 12%. Energy, they have invested 4.11%. And foreign, they have invested. So these all are sectors they have invested. Look at the companies, 7.95% they have allocated their fund into HDFC Bank, Infosys 5.5%, Bajaj Finance 3.8%. Right? So this is the third mutual fund, which is Invesco India Large Cap Fund. So now fourth is Tata Large Cap Fund. Very good fund, very highly famous amongst this investor. 1 year it has given 0.5% return. In 5 years, it has given 20.69% return, which is close to 21% return. Now, minimum investment is huge, which is 5,000 rupees. AUM is 2600. Exit load is 0.5%, and expense ratio is close to 1%. Now, the graph is an uptrend. Very good mutual fund. Abhav Sharma. And look at the sectors then in financial only they have allocated 20% of their capital. Consumer 12%, IT they have invested, information technology they have invested 10%, finance, bank and private sector 9%. Look at the companies, HDFC Bank this much, Reliance 5%, ICICI 4%, Infi for 4.15%, Maruti Suzuki 3.68%. So very good fund. If you're looking for any large cap, then you can consider these mutual funds. So this is the fourth mutual fund. Let's talk about the last fifth mutual fund, SBI Large Cap Fund. Now, even though amongst the all the mutual fund that we have talked, this has given the good returns. In 1 year, it has given 1.5% return, and in 5 years, it has given 19.86% return. Graph is an uptrend. Minimum investment is 5,000 and AUM is staggering 52,000 crores. Exit load is 0.25%, which is good. Expense ratio is close to 1%. Now, financial 21% they have allocated in financial, material 10%, finance and bank 9%, consumer staples 7%, industry 7.52%. Again, HDFC Bank is their top in investment stocks. Close then next to ICICI, Reliance, L&T, Infi, Asian Paints, Kotak, Divis Lab. So large cap they have invested in. So I have given you top 5 large cap mutual fund. If you're looking for any investment in mutual fund, then consider this mutual fund. I have already made a video on investment on mid cap and small cap. If you are a mid cap and a little risk taker, then go for small cap. I'll leave the link in the description, which are the top 3 best small cap and mid cap mutual fund you can invest in. So thank you for watching. I hope you would like this video. Like, subscribe to my channel to become a great investor and a profitable trader. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.